I'm too blessed to be a loser. What else? Why do people call their life for us and everything like the ocean? They just see your blessings, they cause they feel the pressure. Oh, this one about depression. Oh no, this one about depression. The struggles. Baby, baby, don't they cry you? Baby, baby, don't they rock up? Some they follow days and only down. Some they follow shit, they go yonder. We can't be streaming, brother. Now who go help us also this problem? This thing that they use, so that will make your problem. About water, light, voodoo, we are like water, light, yeah, voodoo, water.
Big up.